Earth's atmosphere is like an invisible blanket, surrounding our planet and making life possible. But did you know that as we go higher, the air pressure changes dramatically? At sea level, the air pressure is high because there are lots of gas particles pushing down on us. This pressure helps us breathe and keeps our bodies functioning normally. But as we climb higher, the air gets thinner. There are fewer gas molecules and the pressure drops. By the time we reach the edge of space, there's almost no air at all. That's why astronauts need spacesuits. They wouldn't survive in such low pressure. Now let's talk about airplanes. Have you ever wondered why airlines prefer to fly at high altitudes, above 10,000 meters? It all comes down to fuel efficiency. At higher altitudes, the air is thinner, which means there's less resistance against the plane. With fewer gas particles colliding with the aircraft, it moves more smoothly, using less fuel to maintain speed. This makes flights faster and more cost-effective. But that's not the only important thing about our atmosphere. It's divided into layers, and each layer behaves differently. The lowest layer, called the troposphere, is where we live and where all our weather happens. As we go higher in the troposphere, the temperature drops because the ground absorbs heat from the sun and then releases it. The higher you go, the colder it gets. But the next layer, the stratosphere, does the opposite. It gets warmer the higher you go. This happens because of the ozone layer, which absorbs ultraviolet radiation from the sun and converts it into heat. That's why airplanes often fly in the lower stratosphere, where there are fewer weather disturbances and smoother air.
So next time you look up at the sky, remember our atmosphere is more than just air. It controls pressure, temperature, and even how planes fly. It's a delicate system that makes life on Earth possible.